Hi, today I'm changing the manual transaxle fluid of my Kia Cerato 213. There is a fill point, a fill screw. The fill, I don't know if you can see it or not. There is the fill plug. I don't know if you can see my finger. Just here is the fill plug. Here is the drain. The drain plug. Both are 17 millimeters bolts. And here is the oil, 95,000 kilometers. $95,000 kilometers and 7 years. And here is the oil I'm gonna use, 75W80, 2 liters, and this one is 75W85. I did not find it in my country, Algeria, so I use this in place. Total gear 8, 75W80. I will change and come back. And here is the oil. I poured in a 1.5 liter bottle. And this small amount of oil, which is about 100 milliliters. So I can see that the total of old oil is around 1.6 liters. This one and this one make approximately 1.6 liters. And the gearbox of this car normally takes normally 1.9 liter. So we lost something like 0.3 liter of Transaxle oil after 7 years of use and 95,000 kilometers. And now fill in the new oil. As you can see, I have made a small system with this bottle and this little hose. Go into the filling plug. Normally it will take 1.9 liter exactly. I have just finished changing my gearbox oil and I cleaned out all the engine. Thank you for watching my video.